in partnership with Warner Brothers Canada. Thank you so much for inviting me to this advanced screening of Final Destination Bloodlines. Hi guys. Okay, we just arrived at the hotel. Let's do a little room tour. We just arrived from like a 5-hour plane ride. We're jet lagged. I look like shit. Ignore that. And the bathroom is probably the nicest thing that I've ever seen in my entire life. Look at the shower. Wait, come with me in the shower. Look at the view. I have a view so I can shower and people watch at the same time. Look at the bath. The bathtub. I can also take a bath while watching other people. There's a little balcony. It's cute. The view is better in the room. Wait. Okay, let's come back. Then, this is where I'm gonna do my makeup. Look beautiful. Oh my god, there's a TV! Oh my god, I'm living the dream. We have robes! Then we have the toilet, which is very nice because you can poop while someone is in the shower and it will not stink up the room. Okay, this is a closet. Okay. The living room. This is the bed. Oh, it's actually very comfy. I like the bed. Again, look at all those windows. This is beautiful. And look, this is the best view. We can see the water. Can you see it? So this is the room. And look. Look how fancy that is. Okay. Okay, now I'm tired. I'm gonna go take a little nap, order some room service, and then we're gonna get ready and we're gonna do a little activity tonight in Vancouver. Tomorrow's the big event with Warner Brothers. I'm very excited. I'm gonna be able to show it to you. Okay, so update. We just like relaxed for a little bit and ate, and now we just got ready and we decided to do like an activity that's indoor because it's still raining. It's not looking good outside. So we booked tickets to like a mini putt indoor thingy. We're really excited. So we're gonna go there right now. Our Uber is almost here, so we're gonna go. Okay, so we just came back from the mini putt. It was so fun because they had like such fun themes, a lot of TV and like movie theme, like the E.T., Jaws. They had Family Guys, Haunted Mansion, Pokemon. It was really cute. The holes were like fun and creative. Okay, so it's currently 7 p.m. I'm taking my makeup off and I'm going to bed because our time is 10 p.m. right now and we're up since 3 a.m. We're gonna go sleep. Hopefully we wake up early tomorrow and we're gonna do an activity before the event. The event starts at 4 p.m. and I want to start getting ready around like 12 because I want to film videos and like prepare myself mentally because it's a social event. I'm nervous for that. So, okay. So I'm gonna take off my makeup and go to bed and I'll see you tomorrow morning. Good night. Good morning. It is currently 9 a.m. We woke up around, well, I woke up around 7. Jay woke up at like 8:30. I'm getting ready right now, but our breakfast just arrived. Today is the day we are doing the event with Warner Brothers Canada, but also we have time. So that means we have all morning to do something. So we found like a very cute garden. But for now, breakfast just arrived in the middle of my makeup. We have a chocolate croissant breakfast with bacon. I got the kids' breakfast because I'm not that hungry right now. And then I'm trying these little juices. So this one is the green detox, even though it's not green. It's funny. And this is mine. I got the beet rejuvenation one. I don't know. These look good. So we're going to eat breakfast and then I'm going to finish getting ready. And I'll see you when we're going outside. Bye-bye. I had to take my pump. I need a second. Wait. Too much stairs. Too much stairs.
We're inside the conservatory. It is so cute. Okay, we saw like little birds over there. Okay, this is Carmen and Maria. Hi, Carmen. Hi, Maria. Okay, they have a friend over there. Let's go see the friend. Oh, this is Art. Is that his name? Yes. Oh my God, this one is old. He's born in 1977. 1977. Okay, this is Pedra and Chico. Hi, Pedra and Chico. He did the split. He wanted to show off his skills. Okay, so I am ready. This is what I'm wearing. It's just a jacket with like a little skirt because it was a little too short in the back, with high boots. This is my makeup. I did very simple, really natural. Oh my God, you're close. My hair, I just curled it a little bit. So now we're gonna meet Warner Brothers downstairs at the lobby, and then we're taking an Uber, I think, to the Lookout because it's like a big thing in the new Final Destination movie. So yeah, okay, let's go to the lobby. So update, we just took some pictures. There was like a kind of a little photo op in the theater. I think I might insert them if I can. And now we're just walking. We have like a little 30 minutes to just walk around before the movie starts. We're gonna go back, grab some popcorn, and then we're gonna go watch the movie. And then I have a little interview with the directors. And I had to prepare 2 questions. I am extremely nervous for that, but other than that, it's very exciting. Okay, we're at the theater now. But what's like one everyday normal thing that you can't look the same way after working on Final Destination Bloodlines?
Yeah, well, the main one is logs, or basically any truck that is carrying anything. You're going to be way further back if that's the case.
Yes.
If you've seen Final Destination,
yes,
you know someone hasn't seen Final Destination if they're parked too close.
Absolutely.
Then you're just like, well, they clearly haven't seen the movie.
Yeah, no, you have to stay far away from those. Yeah. What about you?
Since working on this movie, my wedding ring was starting to feel tight, and I can't wear it anymore because every time I put it on, I get like freaked out that something bad's gonna happen. It's real. That happens to people.
Yeah.
And my wife knows I love her. I don't need to wear the ring. But yeah, it's that moment in the movie definitely stuck with me.
Oh yeah, I agree. The soccer ball thing also, not looking at it the same way. But thank you so much. The movie was truly amazing and I can't wait. Hoping there's more. So thank you so much and have a great evening. Okay, so it's the next day. Let me do a little recap for you. The event was so fun. So we went to the Lookout first and then we had like some time to just walk around and hang out, and then we went to watch the movie. It was so good, so fun. It was really funny. The nicest thing, the coolest thing was that we were sitting like in the middle of a lot of the actors that were in the movie, or like people that worked on the movie were all around us. Like right next to us was like literally the grandma, like the woman that the whole movie is the like around her was just sitting next to us. It was so weird, and it was all like their first time watching it too. So that experience was amazing. The reaction in the movie, truly like a one of a lifetime experience. It was so fun. I am extremely grateful for that experience. Then we had the opportunity to actually interview the directors of the movie. And I was really nervous and kept repeating the same word. I think like I lost the ability to speak English. It's truly amazing. It's truly amazing. Honestly. They were so nice. They did an amazing job. It was my first time doing something like that, like interviewing someone important. So I'll work on that, and hopefully there's another opportunity for me to do that because, you know, there's some work here. There's some work to do. Anyway, we're the next morning, and we still have some time. We're only going to take the plane at around 9 p.m. tonight. So we're going to go to the Stanley Park because it's supposed to be like the #1 on everyone's list. It was really recommended to us. So I'll see you at the Stanley Park. Okay, so we're at the Stanley Park and we just stopped here because we wanted to look at the bridge. and then compare with the Final Destination movie, like the 5th one. So can you see my screen?
No.
Okay, well
Yeah, a little bit.
it's literally exactly where we're sitting. It's the same angle from the movie, and that's when it collapsed. So it's very cool. So we watched the scene while watching the bridge, just to actually feel it. Hello, Beth Editing. I forgot to do an outro again, but this time I have a good reason. It's actually because we just got caught up in like the moment, you know, the engagement. So we took some time for ourselves. We hung out for the rest of the day. We enjoyed everything. And then we took the plane. We went back home. And then a few days after, we went back on the plane because I had a wedding in Mexico. And there's a few pictures already online for that. And yeah, so now I'm back in Quebec, Canada. And I just wanted to say again, thank you so much, Warner Brothers Canada, for this experience. Truly unforgettable. It was so fun and amazing. Let's just manifest, guys, that we get more trips like that. It's so fun to do and actually film for you guys. I absolutely love these. So manifest more in 2025. But yeah, I love you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.